Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft Exit Code 1. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. The Acces Minecraft game files. Search for %f data % in the Start menu and enter. File Explorer opens. Navigate to Minecraft and then Mads. Create a new Mads folder in Minecraft app files in case Mads folder is not found, and move all files from it to a new desktop folder. This should remove Mads, allowing relaunch of Minecraft to resolve the issue. Once the issue is resolved, move one Mad at a time to the Mads folder to identify the issue, allowing you to continue using Mads if you still wish. If the problem continues, delete the Minecraft folder, but back up the resource packs and saves folder first inside Minecraft directory, as deleting will permanently remove the Minecraft game and any created textures. Open Minecraft Launcher for the reinstall game. Original files are now restored. Copy backup folders and paste back into original locations to fix Minecraft Exit Code 1 issue for most players. If nothing else works, download the latest Java version from java.com/download. Run the installer file and follow the install wizard, ensuring Minecraft isn't running in the background. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.